$149. Vegas for 3 nights, 4-star hotel. This is the lowest price we've seen for a 4-star Las Vegas package that includes air. Why we love this deal? Escape to a newly opened modern oasis in Las Vegas with this deal from Great Value Vacations that saves up to $372 versus booking elsewhere. Guests will enjoy a 60,000 square foot state-of-the-art casino, a variety of award-winning restaurants, including the famed Nobu, and a sprawling 5-acre pool scene with a luxe beach club. What's included? Round-trip economy class airfare to Las Vegas on a full-service airline. 3 nights at the 4-star Virgin Hotels Las Vegas Curio Collection in a Chamber King room. Per person pricing: $149. Los Angeles, $199. Denver, Phoenix, Sacramento, Salt Lake City, San Diego, San Francisco, $299. Atlanta, Boston, Chicago, Dallas, Houston, New York City, Orlando, Seattle. When to go? Depart on select dates November 2022 to February 2023. Additional departures: March-June 2023 is also on sale, starting at plus $50 per person. Upgrade your room. From plus $75 per person, upgrade to a Chamber Strip view room with sweeping views of the Las Vegas Strip. Or from plus $100 per person, stay in a Ruby Chamber room featuring convenient valet, an expansive living space, and a tub for 2. These extra costs are the total per person for the 3-night stay. Extend your trip. Stay for 4, 5, or 6 nights from $50 more per person per night. Resort details: Virgin Hotels Las Vegas Curio Collection by Hilton debuted in 2021 and was recently ranked as the number 7 hotel in Las Vegas by Condé Nast Traveler's readers. Guests can enjoy cocktails. During the day, guests can soak up the sun at the sand bottom pool. Travel Zoo tip: there is no change fee with the purchase of Great Value Vacations travel protection plans. Book by November 4.